Sammy and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, you should definitely subscribe. I post college videos and vlogs, so it's super fun. Today is going to be my dorm tour. So I go to Cal Poly San Luis Obispo and I live in the North Mountain dorms. So this video is going to be a little bit more specific to Cal Poly's North Mountain dorms, but I'm still going to be giving a lot of tips and just information in general on dorms. So hopefully it will help you guys get some ideas on how to decorate for your freshman year or whatever you're going into. I hope you guys love this video so much, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I love these dorms because they are like in the nature. They don't have hallways. I thought I was gonna hate that, but they're actually really fun and still super social, so it's really fun. Also, you don't really live like next to your RAs, which is kind of cool. They're more like downstairs or on the other side of the building, so you kind of have more privacy in that sense. We decorate our door like depending on the season. Right now we're kind of lazy and just put the welcome sign up. But we're gonna enter the dorm, and this is what you see when you first walk in. We have a corner room, so it looks a little bit different than some of the dorms in this building, but still really cool. It's just more L-shaped and like square in general. First thing you probably notice when you walk in is this awesome view. It's really great because people are always studying out on the lawn. I love how social it is. My roommates and I decided to do like an all-white kind of pink theme. So here's my bedding and pillows. My bedding is from TJ Maxx. This throw blanket I got is from Home Goods. And then that pillow is from Target. I would recommend getting one of those pillows just because it's great for when you're studying. For sure. Would you agree, Zoe?
Yeah, definitely.
Roommate agrees. Okay, we all have them and they're really good. And then this poster is from Society 6, I believe. And we have all of my pillows. These two pillows are from Urban Outfitters. And then this pillow is from Home Goods. They have amazing throw pillows that are a good price. And so is this one. I put this like sheet thing up because I didn't want it to like show my whole like bedside caddy thing or whatever this is called. Just because I didn't want it to look messy and I wanted to go with the white theme, so I kind of like put it up there just to make it look more cozy. I don't know. Because these beds are kind of tall, I would recommend getting a stool. So we actually fell off of it and got a concussion.
Yeah.
So we had the fire department actually come into this room and like try to help her. She was fine after like 2 weeks. Right?
Yeah, not concussed anymore.
Also, probably because you're wondering, I'm going to show you my roommate Paige's bed. It was her birthday yesterday, so she still has some leftover balloons that we decorated for her. I'd recommend putting like the wardrobe against this bed just so you can have it as a nightstand. And then Zoe's bed right there just like has her little blanket and pillows on it. You'll see we have 3 closets. Specifically to the North Mountain dorms, there are 3 people in the room. That's very common at Cal Poly, and I feel like a lot of colleges kind of go with the triple just because they have so many students. But this is my closet right here. I'll show you guys it. It's not that clean or anything, but it's practical for me. Basically, we all get one of these dressers. So I just put it into my closet because it fit perfectly. And then a shoe rack up here. And then my shower caddy. On the other side, we have up top, I have a lot of AOPI shirts to represent the sorority life. And yoga mats, a blanket for laying outside, and then a whole other shoe bin. For all the shoes, I don't wear that much. We have our awesome mirror. We wanted to have an area to like get ready and stuff, so this is kind of all that. And then this is my favorite part of the room. We made it like a vanity getting ready area. What I'd recommend doing if you guys want to make it look a little bit more homey and stuff is to put contact paper. It was really easy. It's like $6 for a whole roll from Amazon. I'll link that in the description so you guys can find it. Really, really nice. We get a lot of compliments on that. Right here I have all of my jewelry. More jewelry in there. This is from Urban Outfitters. This is from Home Goods. And then just like some perfume and stuff. This little box is from Forever 21, I think. And then this sign, we were actually supposed to hang it up, but we don't really know how to do that without nails just because this thing is really weird. Then we just have a little candle. This right here is our first aid kit. This looks cuter. It's a vintage thing my mom thrifted. And then we put little lights around the gold mirror, but somehow they just don't work. Okay, then we have this hanging macrame on the side right there. We were supposed to hang up this little hat too, actually. We're gonna put it like on the wall right here. Kind of forgot about that. These curtains are really awesome. They just open and close like that. So this is Zoe's desk. We're not gonna go too much in detail on it, but basically we put contact paper on this one. She just has some pictures. And then Paige and I decided to contact paper our desk also, and we just put marble all over it, and it looks really cool. We split this desk evenly down the middle, have the printer, all of that. This is my side right here. It's kind of gone through some redecorations throughout the year. I have one of these gold like things that we put like schoolwork in, just so it has my planner and notebooks and all of that. And then I have like a day-to-day planner also. Here I just have like some decorations. I brought Polaroids instead of printing out photos. And all of that. And then right here we just have an AOPI sign that my big gave me for big little baskets. It's definitely a must-have to have a printer in your dorm. And then my roommate's desk right here is super cute too. She just has her Kappa letters and then some pictures from home. I'll show you guys a drawer just for example of like sizing and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys where I like keep my makeup just so you guys can get an idea of what you guys might want to do. I'd recommend getting one of these like drawer organizers. Also forgot to show you guys, in North Mountain dorms you get a microwave, which no other dorms on campus actually have. So that's another plus for the dorms just because we have made so much food in here. Again, you're not supposed to have a toaster, but we do break some rules. This is honestly fine. We just unplug it when we go on vacations or like leave for break and stuff. And then in this little bin here, we just put some like cups and bowls and stuff like that. And then we have like another little like shopping cart thing from Target. A lot of people have these in their dorm. I would recommend them. They're not that expensive and they're really worth it. We just have like a bunch of cups and like forks and stuff, I guess, trash bags, cleaning supplies, and then we have our trash cans right next to the door, and that leads you outside. And right here we just made this really cool like rectangle shaped like Polaroid hanging thing. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the bathroom because something that I love about North Mountain's dorms is that they have a bathroom attached. So through this door, you get the bathroom. And it's really awesome. We share it with 3 other rooms. There's 12 girls in here. So on this side right here, you have like your own sink and toilet that you share with the room attached on that side. And then there's like a getting ready area right here if you want to, which is really nice. Heaters in there. And then you have the shower. So they're really disgusting. Really, really disgusting, but it works. We have like this little weird basket, I don't really know, put our shampoo on it and stuff. They don't have hooks, so you can't really hang a shower caddy, which is an issue, but we have this basket to do that. And then just some more information on this dorm specifically, and then dorms in general. First, I would recommend having fans. That is a must-have because these dorms get really gross and like really hot sometimes. She has one next to her bed just because it gets hotter up top. So we added this extra sheet because we wanted to be able to like put so much stuff under here. Dorms in general have so much more storage than you would ever expect. Hey, Emily, you want to make a picture with you? Yes. Oh my god. One of my best friends and roommates for next year.
Going shopping.
So, just some tips for. Come on in. Do you have aloe? So, just a few tips for the North Mountain dorms in general. My roommate Zoe has this wardrobe, as I mentioned before, but I'm going to show you guys what they look like inside because they're really small compared to these huge closets. We did not realize that, so that's why we didn't like necessarily give the closet the way we should have. So her closet is definitely a lot smaller in size, but it still works fine. The main thing I think is different is that these drawers are so much shorter, and I really didn't notice this until a month of living here. They're like literally the teeniest thing right here, whereas these ones are like so much bigger. So if you're gonna have someone have this wardrobe, maybe you allot something differently in the room to give them more space. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got some good ideas on how to decorate or just got some tips on the dorm life. I love living here. It's the best thing ever. So if you're coming to Cal Poly, let me know. Or if you're considering it, you can ask me questions in the comments and I'll definitely get back to you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!